Right from the start, you can see the formalities of a Texas courtroom in action. Notice how the judge ensures both parties announce themselves and verifies discovery. This isn't just paperwork, it's a legal safeguard to make sure the defendant knows exactly what he's facing. Question for viewers: have you ever wondered why courts make you confirm every document you sign?
2022 CR 11229, State of Texas versus Christopher Armstrong. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense.
Alberto Rodriguez from Mr. Armstrong.
And are you Christopher Armstrong?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Armstrong, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
You waive it, Your Honor.
Enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case. Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication?
Here's a critical moment: the judge is explaining deferred adjudication. Essentially, it's like a legal second chance. If Mr. Armstrong messes up, the court can immediately impose the full sentence. This is where the stakes become very real. Quick poll for you: would you take a deferred adjudication if you were in his shoes, knowing one slip could trigger a 2-year sentence?
Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counselor, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There be 100 hours of community service restitution and no contact with Apollonia
Albizo.
Albizo.
Yes, Your
Did you
Honor.
understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Your Honor, state offers state exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
Mr. Armstrong, I'm showing you what's entitled Wavering Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places? All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding the guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor. Spoke with Mr. Armstrong. Armstrong, he accepted responsibility. He's remorseful and we're asking that the court follow the recommendation from the state.
All right, how old are you?
38.
Do you have any children?
Yes, Your Honor.
What are their ages?
My oldest is 18, and goes 16 and 14.
All right, I'm gonna need you to speak up, okay? And everyone, could you please whisper? Are you employed?
Yes, Your Honor.
What do you do?
I run a moving company.
I'm sorry, what?
I run a moving company.
When you say you run a moving company, what do you mean?
I own a moving company. I help people move out of their homes into storages, pack for them, transport their goods to one spot to another.
And what? What are you transporting?
Transporting furniture.
No, I mean, how are you transporting the furniture?
In a truck, in a box truck.
All right, so why are you still in this vehicle?
I wasn't on.
No, here's the thing. Let's be honest with me, right? Because I'm trying to figure out what's the best conditions for you.
Sure.
Now, this vehicle, you had a screwdriver in your pocket. It shows that the locks were punched out. Nobody is buying a vehicle from somebody with the locks punched out and there's no key to the ignition.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you're driving around a vehicle with a screwdriver in the ignition. So again, my question is, you're saying that you run a moving company. So I'm trying to figure out why you're still in the vehicle.
Yeah, I was in a I was in the wrong spot at the wrong time.
No, nobody's in the wrong spot at the wrong time unless I'm eating at McDonald's and somebody comes in and shoot up the place. But even then, I'm not in the wrong spot at the wrong time. Somebody came in and committed a crime. So driving a stolen vehicle is not, I'm in the wrong spot at the wrong time. You're driving a stolen vehicle. Maybe the vehicle was in the wrong spot for you to take it.
Yes, Your Honor.
So why are you stealing cars?
I was at the motel room. My dad just died. I was at the motel room.
Now it gets tense. Mr. Armstrong claims he was just in the wrong spot at the wrong time, but the judge isn't buying it. Driving a stolen vehicle isn't just bad luck. This moment really shows the courtroom drama, excuses versus accountability. Viewers, imagine your reaction here. Would you defend him or side with the judge?
A babe in the woods and somebody tells you to move a vehicle.
Well, I ran the VIN number. Because I saw the ignition like that. I ran the VIN number. The VIN number came up clean, so that's why I moved it.
All right, your story is not believable. I don't believe your story, but
Sure.
the agreement is for you to have deferred. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
I'll be clean.
All right, you're going to get drug tested today.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, 2 years deferred adjudication. Where are your children staying?
Right now, one stays here in Schertz, Texas, and the other two stay out in Matagorda County and Sargent, Texas.
All right, so you're not taking care of them.
Yes, Your Honor. Well, we're my two youngest are with their mom. Yes.
All right, are you paying child support?
Yes, Your Honor. I am free.
How?
Through the state.
All right, so that means that you were not paying child support and they decided.
Ouch, your story is not believable, says the judge bluntly. This is a perfect example of a courtroom reading between the lines moment. The judge isn't just enforcing law, she's judging credibility, which can be just as powerful as the sentence itself. Take note, credibility in court is often everything.
Probated. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider with minors. And probation, he says he owns a moving company. Can somebody make sure the truck that he's using has not been stolen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Just tell him to check to see if he's driving it with a screwdriver. There's to be restitution of $600 and no contact with Apollonia, Apolonio, Abzio. 100 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. Court is not requiring you to get the COVID.
Important legal lesson here, probation isn't a free pass. The judge makes it clear, failure to pay child support can result in a motion to revoke probation. For those watching, this is why understanding the conditions of probation is essential. Tip: always know what your obligations are, or your second chance can vanish in an instant.
One time per month. And you're going to do a UA today.
Yes, Your Honor.
Probation, is there anything else he needs?
No, Your Honor.
And probation, if you all want to count that field visit as his reporting, you can. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful in this probation?
No, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of.
Here's an interesting twist. 40 hours of community service can be waived if he provides proof of COVID vaccination. Courts often include creative incentives like this to encourage compliance. Also notice the focus on parenting classes and structured reporting. Question for the audience: do you think tying community service to vaccinations is fair, or is it a stretch of judicial discretion?